In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy from ChatGPT to Word. Now, I have ChatGPT pulled up over here, and as you can see, I asked it to explain the first Newton's law, okay? And now if I click copy down here below the text, and if I move inside my Word, and if I want to paste it in, as you can see, it looks quite weird, okay? It has weird formatting, there's no bold text and stuff like that, so it doesn't look good at all. So I'm going to delete this and show you a better way of doing it. So what you want to do is actually start at the very beginning and just hover over and highlight all the text you want to copy, and then you want to press Ctrl and C or right click and copy, and then you want to go back to your Word file and then paste it in. So you can right click and simply click paste, one of these, or press Ctrl and V. I'm going to press Ctrl and V. As you can see, it looks much better than it did before. It also copied the formatting and everything we need. And if you want it to look even better and even cleaner, you want to click over here to the paste options and then switch between these three. So we can see there's an option to keep source formatting. There's this option to merge formatting, which I like the most and I usually use. And there's the option to keep text only. As you can see, if I click keep text only, it's not much better than it was earlier when we just copied it directly via the ChatGPT copy function. But if we use this one, which is the first one, so the keep source formatting, or the merge formatting one, they look much better. And I would actually recommend you use the merge formatting one to look the best in Word. And that's exactly how you do it.